one life to live out here in this world, man. If you don't do it right now, then when you gonna do it? If you don't do it for nobody else, make sure you do it for yourself.
If you ain't got nobody to do it for, then do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. And when they start hating on you, tell them thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. If you ain't got nobody to do it for, then do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. And when they start hating on you, tell them thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. In today's video, guys, I did a poll and a lot of you guys say I should do like the DIY repair to Ghost on this channel. So we gonna upload a video of me trying some DIY type stuff, man. If you haven't, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, click that notification bell. Of course, I'm going to put this in the air before the video starts, guys. I am not an auto body and collision repair guy. Like, I don't do body work. That is not my expertise. But with the methods that I use, guys, it worked to a certain extent. There's still a lot of work to be done. A hell of a lot of work. It's still gonna have to go to the shop for sure, but the most major part to me is done. Like I say, it's definitely gonna need to go to a shop regardless, but at this point, honestly, a bumper and another tail light, and I'd be pretty good for now. Especially if I just go and get another tail light right now. I can go wherever I want to go in it, even with the way it is. But she definitely gonna have to go to a body shop. She gonna have to get the whole back fender pulled out, and I'm gonna show y'all that in the video. Y'all can see what increased that and why, y'all gonna understand what's going on with the car. Still gonna have to put it on the frame machine probably to pull that fender out, to get my lines all the way together. But at the point of impact where the bumper of that truck hit the car, I pretty much got that out. And I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight, get me one of those little dent pullers that you put on there. You just, y'all know what I'm talking about, man. Probably $15, $20 at the most, $30 at the most. I'm gonna go by Harbor Freight and get one of those, man, and see how many more dents I can get out before I take it to the body shop. And yeah, if y'all haven't, like I said, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, click that notification bell. Let's get it. All right, guys, so y'all see we got our little propane torch, and we got an extra can of propane just in case. But like I say, I'm about to heat most of this up right here. Got my little block of wood. I got my 4-pound and my 2-pound sledgehammer, and we're gonna try to beat this motherfucker out a little bit, man. We're gonna see what we can do, y'all. We're gonna see what we can do. But my tripod ended up breaking, so y'all got to see this shit in sections instead of me doing like a time lapse or something. So let me heat this up, probably pull a little more of that Max 66 off so I can get to that whole panel, and we're gonna see what we can do, y'all. I'm starting to pull it out just a little bit. Really can't tell the difference right now, but it's coming. I'm working on this section now. Y'all see this part here came out a little bit. Here's little spots I got to fine tune, but it's coming slowly but surely. I'm gonna put a little more heat on it, and I'm about to work the area right here. But I'm using the 2-pound hammer and that piece of wood to hit those critical spots. The wood ended up breaking in 2 halves, which was probably a good thing, but yeah, I'm about to keep working it, man. Let's see what we can do. Let's get it. With the hammer and the wood, as y'all can see, I got a good little bit of that and could probably get this out some more, and I will. But now to fix this part, I don't have a puller, but I have a ratchet strap. I have a couple ratchet straps. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the truck over here. I'm gonna pull the truck right here, try to turn it straight that way, and I'm gonna hook one end of the ratchet scrap to the tow hitch, to the hitch on the back of my truck, and I'm gonna hook the other end down up in this hole right here, and I'm gonna ratchet it and see what I can do. If that don't do nothing, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm gonna put the truck in drive, I'm gonna pull forward just a little bit, I'm gonna tug on it just a little bit, and I'm gonna get out and check every time I tug. But y'all can see the whole tail light. The whole tail light cracked and bust the fuck up. So definitely gonna need another one of those. Y'all can see the little piece right here that was broke off. And y'all can see better now. Like, this part didn't. This right here creased like hell, which can probably be pulled. That probably come out. If I can get this to ratchet out some, that piece right there will probably come out. But, and if I can pull this part out some, it'll help this dent, and I'll be able to go back on the inside and help that a little bit. And it still got that crease right here, but hopefully when I pull it with the ratchet scrap or put a little tension on it with the truck, it'll straighten that out too. So, good thing is, the part where the head tail light go at ain't too far gone, man, but I gotta go and get my kids out the wild, so I'm about to move the truck, put the truck right here, hook the ratchet scraps up. At first, I'm gonna try to ratchet. If I can ratchet it out, that'll be awesome. If not, like I said, I'm gonna put a little tension on it. I'm gonna pull forward my truck a little bit, put a little tension on it, come back here and check. If that don't work, I'm gonna go and put a little more tension on it, come back here and check. So I wish my tripod wasn't messed up so y'all can see the progress.
Cool. I ain't been letting that nigga just burn me out like I ain't really out here. Trying to get a little motion with him, so you know what I'm saying? I mean, that's why I straight with cool. I mean, I'm my own opposition. I already know they gotta be a slang. I mean, for real, I ain't none of that dumb shit.
Tryna get your cash up, Woody. I'm in a bag. Too many flexed up, really. Y'all niggas sad. I can do what I want. I ain't gotta brag. I'm tryna keep bringing pressure. I ain't tryna crash. Can't lie, been fire. Guess I'm on demon time. Tryna go 21. Guess I'm on prime time. She say I'm too special. I reply big lies. Bitch won't Pandora me. Chunk to do skirt time. I done went deep, died in a bottle of Henny. Came out, I'm feeling baptized. Feeling my ego, check my stilo. Got these niggas so mad I die. You better come out this shit and go get you some money. Can see all that hate in your eyes. I speak and she looks so surprised. I told her I bless in the sky. I'm on that gas pack, sitting on cloud 9. I'm gonna get rich, Woody, or I'ma die trying. Don't need a handout, shout. Know how to get mine. I see blue, green. I don't do stop sign. We cool, too smooth. I grew, took $1, went and flipped it, bought a brand new chain and shit. Won't let your misery be company. I got some shit to lose.
Alright guys, coming back with another quick update, man. I'm getting majority of it out, but now y'all see my current situation. I'm trying to pull this out some more, and I got, see my tow hooks and shit that came in handy. I love it. But I got my scrap hooked up. I got a block of wood in here. Let me show y'all from the other side. I don't have a piece of wood that's pretty much long enough. I had one that was long enough. I could slide it over some, and it'll go up, and it'll probably pull that whole dent out. But what I'm about to do now, I got tension on it. I'm about to throw the truck in reverse and put a little more pressure on it. I'm not gonna gun it in there. Just put a little tension on it and try to pull it on out a little more, because it still got to come out some. But as y'all can see, I did work most of that dent out. I worked a whole bunch of it out, to be honest with you. A piece of wood and a hammer. But if I get to come out a little more, we'll be in business, and it'll be good enough, you know, to ride around, or it wouldn't look as bad as it did. Now as far as this part, I'm about to get back on the inside, probably with the butt of a screwdriver or something like this right here. Stick that right back in there and just beat that out a little more. Try to get the contour of this back. But it's gonna be a process. I ain't gonna be able to do everything in one day. But my goal right now is try to get most of this right here out, which I probably would be able to do, but this shit right here in my way, so I can't get a good swing. I can't get the hammer and the wood back there where I needed it to get some good swings on to push it on out. So that's what we doing. I may even hook the other scrap up to it on this side to help pull. So I don't know, guys. I'm just trying something, man. We just pretty much trying shit. Like I said, I'm not a body guy. It definitely ain't my damn expertise, but I'm trying. I'm definitely trying. But I don't have a long enough piece of wood right now. No pun intended. I mean, I do got a big piece of wood, you know. Got a real big piece of wood, but I really don't feel like breaking my saw out, cutting it. But that's probably what I have to end up doing, just cutting it down the side, because they definitely go help pull that dent out. So if this don't work, I just hook my saw up right quick, cut half of that, knock the nail, pull the nails out that motherfucker, and we'll use that. But let's try this first. Let's get it. All I'm gonna do for today, man. Y'all tune in for the next video. I had a dent puller. We're gonna come and try to fine tune it and all that other good shit, but they're gonna wrap this video up, man. This your boy Bass Addict checking out with another one, man. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Let's get it.
Yeah. I'm bringing that pressure. Whether it wrong or it right, a snake gon' be a snake, whether it dark or it light. A dog gon' be a dog, whether he bark or he bite. I got a nigga in that cell, I pray to y'all he be alright. I'm bringing that pressure. Whether it wrong